Hi everyone, this is Gabor here. It's been a while. Welcome to Bavaria in HO scale. Today we are going to make some trees, and to be exact, this is the tree that we are going to make. So this is the finished product, and I'm going to show you guys how to make that. It's very simple, takes about a couple of minutes. So the first, I'm going to show you what I'm using. I'm using this tree armature by Woodland Scenic. It's about 5 inches to 7 inches tall. They got like 12 pieces in a bag like that. And this is how they come. They're very flat. And then you gotta twist them and make it all uniform. So the first step what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this base. So we're gonna just get it off, just twist it, yeah, and then grab a file, just touch it up a little bit, just get rid of that burr, that should be good. Okay, so in order to twist this tree trunk, because it's so hard, especially at the base, I'm going to be using a couple of pair of needle nose. Can get in there between the branches, and actually we're going to start at the bottom here. So I just grab it with both pair of needle nose and then just twist it, and then grab it a little bit further up and just twist it again like that. Okay, let's do it in the bottom again. There we go. Like that. See, that looks a lot better. Just at the top, I think you can just do it with your fingers. Yeah, it's a lot thinner up there and just a lot easier. And once you get the right twist, then all these branches just gonna kind of twist it so they are kind of horizontal. Like that. You can pull these apart. And that's pretty much what I'm looking for. Okay, well, let's make a little more here. So that's all there is to it. And then, okay, I'm gonna be, okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Let's a little bend, let's straighten this out a little bit. Okay. So, we are using, where is that? In Woodland Scenic Foliage Clusters. And this is medium green. It comes in big chunks like this. And what I'm doing is just gonna be breaking off just little pieces like that. So, actually before we do that, I'm gonna get this glue by Noch, and I'm gonna brush this glue on the tree branches. Try not to get any glue on the trunk. Okay, so I'm putting on this glue like from the top on the tip of the branches, and also you want to put it on from the bottom, so you just turn it upside down and do the same. So you want to get the glue on the top and the bottom of those branches. And once you got the glue on there, then you gotta wait a couple of minutes, because you want this glue to be like tacky. because once you brushed it on and you would put on those clusters right away, they wouldn't even stick to it. So you gotta wait a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. Okay, so you just break this cluster into small little pieces like that. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes maybe, and now these little clusters, I'm just gonna start from the top and just put it on there, and as you can see, and then I like to also put it on from the bottom of that branch, so and see it's sticking to it. So you gotta wait 3-4 minutes. One on this side, one from the other side, and you just keep going. So once you put on all those clusters, this is what it looks like. And then don't forget, you got this little base that we cut off in the beginning. You can just stick it in there and then place it on your layout wherever you want it. So that's it for today. I just showed you guys how to make a tree. Very simple, in a couple of minutes. And yeah, please share this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and take care, and see you guys soon. Bye.